Okay, and this is why it's super important to test your workflows. I recently added content in my Google Drive folder. I added 11 new uploads. And from this Google Drive folder, I created another workflow, which is posting from Google Drive to my YouTube channel, and it goes under Day in the Life of an Extremely Strong Woman. So this workflow, if I open the link here, which we just published, I have subtitles that are now connected to this content so that it can be accessible for folks. And see what happens here is this title and these links are automatically added because that's what I created in my workflow. Now, the place where I'm having trouble is it's not showing up under the dashboard of my WordPress site. So we have one flow, which is Google Drive. We put that flow into Repurpose, which is a social media posting platform. Repurpose uses my parameters to put the tags, the titles, and scheduling of the content on this, in this situation, YouTube, but it's not posting it as a page. See how this one says Hampton's Fine Art Fair? That one posted here automatically. So there's a lot of things in the background that are moving, and which is great because that shows that I can be in many places at once and can rely on automation to help me. But in this case, the bot that I created for that playlist is not functioning. So we're going to go over to Zapier. And I don't know why it's doing that. So we found that the name of the Zap is of an extremely strong woman. So let's click on Zaps. And let's expand this a little bit better. These are like kind of hard to read. Vehicle, membership, traveling. Strong woman, so this one. And let's look at the history. It says waiting scheduled. What does it need to be scheduled? So maybe it only runs scheduled for 7:46. Found one new video. What do you mean? Why is it telling me that it's not working? Replay. Replay. This step hasn't been run yet. Okay. Help me fix it. This WordPress step hit an error. How to fix it? Check the output. Make sure it's a high URL. Run a test of the Zap. Okay. Let's click edit. And it says that this is a high URL. Let's check it again. Thumbnail. It says new video, thumbnails medium, thumbnails high, thumbnails default. Thumbnails default. I guess we can try thumbnails default. And then what? To continue, finish. Okay. Now I know what happened. Okay, so what had happened was, all right, the reason why I didn't go was I deleted something earlier that might have been helpful here. And I did that because I wasn't sure what it was. So let's go back and put the thumbnails high URL. And let's see if that fixes something. Let's see what it is. It's not the right one. So we have to go here, find new records. What is this date? There it is. There's the one that we wanted, right here. Abilities Expo Artist. So let me confirm with this. This here, the time is August 28th, 7:42 p.m. Right now's current time is 7:59 p.m. This posted from Google Drive directly to YouTube with subtitles. And it placed it in its own playlist, which was called Day in the Life of an Extremely Strong Woman. Okay, so now we know that's where it's going. And this captured it right here. So continue. And now we need to continue this step again. We have to test it one more time, because now it's with its query, meaning we can ensure that it's going to grab the right one. And it did. There it is. So we know that this bot is not using the correct one here. It's using an old test. Is using the correct here, which is the latest test. I'm going to press continue. The next action from Zapier is create post. So it includes the title, it embeds the video here, and then it adds all of my donation links. And I'm going to remove donate, and I'm going to put art. Okay. And it puts all of these categories. Bless me. I added it to put these categories here and also these tags here. So when folks are searching on my blog for certain content, I can put ability, not disability, right? Search. What? Is it failing? Why? How is that possible? Maybe no hashtag. I'm not happy with the results. What do you mean? Isn't that how tags work? Or is it by... Or is it by... I guess it's not doing what I want it to do. I'm gonna have to come back to this in a little bit. Because, yeah, it's not... It's not gonna cut it. This whole time, I thought that tags and category meant search. So, I'm really glad that I am testing. A post was sent to WordPress. There it is. Nice. Maybe I should add a little bio above this. What do you think? Like a little bio, like right above each of this. I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna go ChatGPT, put this over. Can you create a short and concise intro about me to my viewers online? Something short and sweet. That's cool, but we'll put GM. GM friends, I'm Blue-Eyed Queen, a uniquely abled abstract artist, world traveler, and storyteller that streams about my day in the life. I create bold, vibrant, abstract art that reflects resilience, healing, and connection while using my platform to inspire and uplift others. Join me on this journey. Support below. Continue. All right, so we'll just press publish. This is going to be V2. Nice. So let's go back to the Google. We're going to use this page. We're running out of content here, it looks like. This one says uniquely abled artist. We'll publish that one now. What else we got? We made it. That's fine. Day in life. This one, let's post this one. There is a method behind this madness. And we'll do this one. Oh, that's good for them. So that's like 5 or 6 quick posts. So from here, these are being processed. And then they're moving over to my YouTube channel. And then from here, they're going directly on my blog. So that is a nice way of knocking out many things all at once.